Cuse is so excited. He loves coming with me. We have so much fun. Yes, yes. Good boy, baby. Let's get started. Everybody, welcome to a day in the life of a content creator. I need to like not swear so much, maybe. But anyways, I wish I had someone to film me because I have so much stuff like in my hands, like so much stuff. It's not that much, but like it's a sizable amount. I got 2 bags. I got this in my hands because I'm photo shooting for my exclusive content today, and we're gonna do something with this. I think I don't even know what we're doing because I have oh my gosh, almost dropped it. I have a general idea of what I want to do, but I don't really know exactly, and that kind of works out for me. A lot of the time I'll just be like in the makings of something, and then I'll get an idea and I'll be like, oh my gosh, yes, let's do that, and then it just kind of works out. I don't know, but it is definitely good to have things planned as well and not just wing everything, because that really makes for good content is when it's super planned out and you can have things to be really coordinated and on point. But alas, that ain't always how it gets to be done. Sir, my first look that I want to do is a pink look. Oh wait, I just remembered I also want to do like a nude look because I be looking really good these days. And I got out of the shower yesterday and I was like, ooh, look at her. Like I need to do a photo shoot like this. You're not gonna see all my bits and pieces, but it's gonna be like tasteful nudity, you know what I mean? Because I don't do actual full-on nudity on my exclusive page. Some people do, I do not. So as you can see, my place is not organized at all at this point. It is just bags everywhere and a bunch of stuff everywhere. Creative things, explosion all over this place. But honestly, it's perfectly okay because this place is literally just like a prop, you know? It doesn't need to be put together. I'm gonna constantly just be moving stuff around in order to create. Here's my little corner where I film all my Instagram reels. You guys can recognize that if you watch my Instagram, which you probably do, I don't know, maybe if you guys even have Instagram. And so yeah, so this is my bag. This is what I wanted to show before I was like, oh yeah, here's all this junk. But yeah, so this is my bag that I bring back and forth with me from my home to my content creation space. Because it's nice, big size, you can fit all your stuff in there, your tripod, your whatever the heck else that you need to, clothes, ring light, makeup, all the things that you need. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set up my ring light and everything so we can just get some pics so your girl can make some income so she can afford this place. Oh my gosh, I took this out so you guys wouldn't see that. And then you saw it on the ground, so that's embarrassing. But I say that's embarrassing, but I'm literally gonna take a photo shoot in that article of clothing in a little bit. So I think I'm gonna shoot my nude looks in the bathroom because that's where I was when I was like, oh my gosh, I need to shoot some nude looks. I was in the bathroom, I just got out of the shower. So I'm gonna I'm not filming it. I'm going to shoot the photos. Not saying that I couldn't create, you know what, I could film something. No, I probably won't film something in the full-on nude. And what I mean by that is like, when I take photos, these nude photos are going to be tasteful, artsy, like you're not gonna see all my bits and pieces type of thing. Not that there's anything wrong with people who do that, because that is a side of exclusive content work that a lot of people do. They make very good money from it, and that is what they do for a living. But that's not what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be taking some nude photos without, you know, strategic arm placement and body movement so as not to see all my bits and pieces type of thing. So yeah, I forget what I was talking about when I started this clip. I don't know, but basically what I need to do is finish cleaning these floors because they're dirty. The guy who owns the place, he would just kind of walk around in his shoes when he was working on stuff in here. And so yeah, the floors are dirty, and I'm gonna shoot in the bathroom which I haven't really used the bathroom because I don't really go to the bathroom here at this place. I don't have the water turned on. This is literally just a prop. So I haven't walked on these floors yet, so I need to clean them because they're still dirty, and I'm about to be on a gram. Actually, I don't think you're gonna see my feet. I could keep my socks on and my shoes even, honestly. I'm gonna clean it though. Let's get this done. Okay, so I just shot 3 different looks for my exclusive content page. I did not film any of that, I think, for obvious reasons. Not that people aren't showing themselves in swimsuits and bikinis on YouTube, in lingerie on YouTube, but I just want to make sure that there's no reason for me to get flags or anything like that. I don't know. I will show you guys more of the actual process when I shoot more looks or when I shoot more stuff tomorrow. So stay tuned because you will see more. During that whole process of me getting content, I don't know how, but I managed to lose my socks, but I'm sure they're in here somewhere. I'm just gonna put my shoes on and head back to my house. Hello everybody, I said that we would be back, you would be seeing more, and here we are, back in my content creation space. I'm filming Instagram Reels today, and I'm already wearing look number 1. As you can see, it is, as per usual, still a mess in this place. Basically, I just like set my looks into different piles. I already put on the first look right now. That's the clothes that I was wearing when I came in. But what it boils down to is that I still need to pick out my shoes for each of my looks because I just did the outfits when I was at home, and then I haven't actually picked out the shoes yet. So you can help me pick out which shoes are gonna look cutest with each outfit. Okay, so option number 1 with this brown look. I brought these brown shoes from home because I was like, oh, they're brown, they'll match. And even though they match perfectly, it's a no from me. Like, this is not giving what I want it to give. This is not it. This is just not it. Not it for me. It's a no. Bye-bye. Next. Okay, put these on, these black heels, and once again, this is not doing it for me. It's not working. I might wear these for a different look though, so like, I'm not kicking the black heels to the curb for the looks today, but just not with this fit. Okay, you can see little cute baby back there. He's exploring. These shoes could be it, but I think I just need to pin the pants up like that. Like, you feel me? Gotta pin the pants up. 1 second. Okay, I like this. This is it. It turned into like an Aladdin moment a little bit. Aladdin and Jasmine, like I am their love child at this moment in time. Yes, makes sense to me. All right, let's film this. So I will be posting these as YouTube shorts. I post all my Instagram Reels as YouTube shorts as well, so you don't miss out. You can see them 288 if you don't have Instagram. If you do have Instagram, you can also see it there. There's lots of information. I try to post it on YouTube too, put it in like the comment section, so yeah. Let's get started. Let's film this thing. Let's put it like up here. I feel like it could still be over here though, but just higher, a little higher up. Like, it doesn't have to be too much higher. Oh, let's use this. This will work well. Okay, I'm just getting this boy. Me and the thing that's like there. Okay, so this is the next look. I just got this crochet knit top for my birthday, which is today, by the way. Now you know. Yeah, so my mom got it for me. It's so cute. I hiked this skirt up using a necklace, and I kind of wish the necklace that I was able to use was like a chunkier one like this, so you could see it. But unfortunately, I just couldn't find a chunkier one around, so I gotta use what we have. And I'm thinking about these shoes because this is a very springtime look. So let's see how these shoes do with this look. It's pretty cute. I think it like perfectly matches the skirt. Hold on, let's get better lighting. All right, everybody, so this might just be the end of the vlog. Probably will be, because I am running out of space on my phone. When I started filming this, I was like, girl, we are like pretty low on storage space right now, but you know what? We're gonna try to get this done. We're gonna try to film it anyway, because you know, you gotta get it done. This is the only way in which you can actually become the thing that you want to become, whatever it may be. You have to actually do the thing you need to do. Apply that to whatever thing that you're trying to accomplish. But anyways, yeah, so this is probably the end of the vlog. I have one more look that I really want to film, so I'm gonna do that and then wrap this thingy up and move on along. But thank you guys so much for watching, for having fun with me with my content creation process. This was super fun. I loved it so much, and we should definitely do this again. I'm definitely doing it again. Actually, I have a birthday photo shoot that I'm going to be doing, so I can vlog that, and that'll be super fun for us to do again. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till next time, bye.